Welcome to another macro video. This morning I'm going to look at a few macros that will speed up the process of looking things up on the internet. So our first one is OUP fetch. So if I click in a word and run OUP fetch, then up comes the OUP website with the definition of that word. Then next we've got wiki fetch. So similarly, if I look for that word on Wikipedia, it launches that. That's it. As you can see, it's selected the current word. If I actually want to look up a couple of words, say like that, so if I run the wiki fetch again, then I select that one. So the next one is Google fetch, and if I select a few words that I want to look up and run Google fetch, it loads up the Google website and uses those words and comes up with suitable websites, 3.5 million. So if I'd looked instead, if I'd used instead Google fetch quotes with those words, then what that does is to put quotes around the bit of text out of the word file and searches for that instead. So it's specifically looking for that phrase quoted in a website. This is actually quite useful if you're doing checking on plagiarism, because you can select a sentence and you can run Google fetch quotes on that and find, oh look, this sentence which I thought looked familiar, or at least it didn't seem to fit in with the author's way of writing, oh look, it comes straight from the Wikipedia site. And interestingly, that sentence appears, according to Google, in 10,600 different websites. So if I just close these down, give us a bit more space. Then if I, the next one is URL launcher. And for that, if I'm interested in launching a website, say we've got this one here, so if I click in the URL and run URL launcher, then it will launch that website. If I want to check a number of websites, then if I actually select a bit of text and then run the launcher, it says how many URLs do you want to launch, and at the moment it's suggesting 10. I can type in a different number, but if I say OK, 10 websites, and it looks down the text, finds the next 10 websites and launches them. Actually, look, that one's not found. So if you're trying to check whether the URLs in a references list, whether they're actually current, that one it clearly isn't. The other ones seem to be okay. That's it for today. Okay, thanks for watching.